Good morning, everyone. Today is November 24th. We are a couple of days away from Thanksgiving, and we are in week 15. Since we're coming to an end, nearly, I just wanted to record a video to sum up the things that we need to do. I was behind of grading, as you probably felt and noticed. So I caught up with grading. So I have graded everything you had on the blackboard in terms of online activities. There were 2 group assignments and 2 discussion boards that was waiting for my attention. I've done that. I have placed my comments and I have attached the solution key. If you did not get a full point, please look at them. So strategically, I prepared the discussion boards and group assignments align with the tests. So these are helpful for your final also. So our test 4 will be opening 3rd, 4th, and the 5th of December. On the morning of 3rd, all your WebAssign quizzes are due. WebAssign quiz 13, 14, 15, and 16. I know you have Thanksgiving. That's why I did not assign you 2 activities this week. You only have one thing. Tonight, general discussion board about test 4 review. How are you planning to review for test 4? And that's it. And then you have a nice Thanksgiving break, hopefully. And then the week starts for us, I believe, on Saturday. So we're having a Thanksgiving break. Let me see my schedule. What did I write down there? So we are in week 15. We do have a Thanksgiving break. In the announcement, sorry to coat you up with this video. I should have planned that before. Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is Thanksgiving break, but then the new week 16, will be starting on Saturday. Just keep that in mind. Other than that, I will be holding an online review session for the final. It will be a Zoom session, and I also will be holding an seeded final review session in the week of the finals. And I will be posting that. Please look at them and attend if you can. Because I teach this class also with a seeded version. Some of my seeded students will be also joining online. And maybe as an online student, you might prefer to come and see me and join the seeded session or online session, whichever one you like. So short notice, you have a discussion board, general discussion board due tonight. Please do that. Grades, your last standing in this class, update. Please look into that. I might have some discrepancies as I was transferring your WebAssign quizzes. Let me know. That's a human error. 3, test 4 and final is very, very strategically important for you because remember, final will be replacing your lowest test score. So it's not only 20% with the test grade if you think that it is more than 20% for the final if it replaces your lowest test score. Other than that, I wish you a very good Thanksgiving break. I am very thankful that I have students who can put up with me with my awkward teaching and with all my math classes. Among the many other things that I'm thankful, I'm also very, very thankful genuinely to all my students, and you are a part of it. Happy Thanksgiving. Reach me out if you need any help. I'm here. I'm in the town. I'll try to answer your questions as promptly as possible. All right. Bye. Have a great Sunday.